Welcome back, Web3 TV. I'm Cristina Nájera, and we are at Blockchain Live with Mohammed from EazyBots. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
I'm very happy to have you here. Would you like to start sharing more about you and the company?
Yeah, sure thing. Well, my name is Mohammed Omar Ali. I'm the CEO and founder of EazyBot. EazyBot is simply a crypto trading bot that does trading on behalf of the customer based on their own chosen strategy or the default strategy. And our default strategy have already closed more than 10 million trades so far for the last 2.5 years and made over almost 7 million in revenue for, also in profit for our customers, as well as our own corporate account have made 100.4% in profit. So we do only spot trading. We don't do futures. We don't do leverage because we know that most of the people want to do safe trading. And so far, our success rate is more than 99%.
Wow. Is this bot for anyone or for people who are already traders?
It's for both. Actually, the ones that doesn't have experience in trading, they can use the default strategy that I created personally 2 years back and gets better and better as the time goes. And also for the traders that they can customize their own strategy and let it trade on their behalf, rather than being in front of the screen 24/7 and they can miss some opportunities because they want to sleep, right?
100%. A lot of people want to start this journey of trading. What will be your advice for them?
Well, definitely, first of all, they need to know more about the industry. They need to know what are they getting themselves into. Like, for example, you cannot go and trade stock of a company that you don't know, right? At the end of the day, you need to do your due diligence and understand at least the basics of crypto before you get yourself involved in crypto. Understand what the blockchain technology. Because right now, unfortunately, like majority of the people, unfortunately, who doesn't have experience in crypto, they feel that crypto is not a safe place. Crypto is made for criminals. Some people even think that. It's made for money laundering, it's made for this. But actually, when they go to the history, when they see how it was created back in, I think, 1991, it was created for the exact opposite of that. So first of all, get yourself educated about the industry. Get yourself educated about the coins that are available, because right now there are some coins which are really, I would say, not safe to trade with. So do your due diligence about the backbone project and the people behind it, and then understand also the strategy. I don't advise people to come and trade with EazyBot without understanding how the strategy works. I explained it in details. They can look at that, they can choose to use it, or they can use their own settings if they want. So learn. This is the most important thing that they have to do.
100%. There is a very famous word on the Web3 space called do your own research, so DR. And I love that because, as you mentioned, they need to understand what's behind of the project, who are the founders, why they chose that coin. So I love that you bring that to the table. Would you like to start sharing more on how did you start your crypto journey?
Yeah, actually, it's a bit, I wouldn't say complicated, but it started with a little bit of a pain back in 2021 when I sent my crypto to a company who supposedly trading, but at a point of time, the company just disappeared and they were scammers and we lost all the money. And at that time, I started really digging deeper. I started doing mining at that time. I bought the machines, bought it at home, and I was living on that for almost 2 years. And then started looking at the trading, then used the bot, which was made from, I don't know where exactly, but we used it, and we got stuck in the market. Then I started learning about the strategies and how to use the strategy, how to really trade safely into this very volatile market. And I started just reading about the past of the cryptocurrency. How did it start and how is the performance of the cryptocurrency? I found that always there is ups and there is downs and there are high fluctuations. So I used the constant thing in the crypto, which is basically the fluctuation, because end of the day, the market is going to move. But what you don't know is where is the movement going to be, the next movement, whether it's going to be up or down. That's, for me, almost impossible. And I cannot depend on luck or on chance. So my strategy basically depends on the constant thing in the market, which is the fluctuation. It used that fluctuation to close trades profitably. It used that fluctuations to pull down the average price of the trading from the top to the bottom. And I can give you a small example. Like one of the coins that we started trading back in 2022, it's called AAVE. When we started trading, the price of this coin was 251. The bot was able to close that trade at the price of 100. That means almost 63% down, and still made profit in the spot trading. We're not shorting the market. Very safe, and still can, I wouldn't say guarantee, because guarantee is not the right word. It always makes sure that the customer is making profit. And right now, that's why we have more than 15,000 active bots right now as we speak for our customers, while their crypto is within their own exchange. This is very important. So actually, clients are not giving their money to us. They keep it within their own exchange. They could be Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Coinbase, BitGet, Bybit, and soon we're going to have also OKX and Gate.io and other exchanges as well. So they keep it within their own trusted exchange. They connect the APIs to the bot, and then they decide which strategy they want to use, and then the bot does the rest.
Wow, very impressive. Mohammed, can crypto bring more freedom?
Definitely, it brought me freedom. So it definitely can bring. But I get back to my point. They have to learn what they're getting themselves involved in. If they learn right, then they understand, then they implement correctly, then it's definitely can bring freedom.
What are your thoughts on meme coins?
Well, I don't want to speak about the specific coins at this stage, but normally I have four criteria to choose a coin for trading. Number one is how old is the coin? I don't want to use a coin that was born yesterday. It has to be at least a couple of years in the market. Number two is that what's the daily trading volume on the main exchanges? Is it a couple of hundreds? Is it a couple of thousands, couple of millions? I want a one that has a high volume so that we'll avoid slippage in trading. Number three is what is the backbone of this coin? I mean, was it a coin that was created and it flowed with the supply and demand, or it has a backbone project, which is a strong project that can support it? Number four, which is the last one, is how was the performance of this coin in the past? Did it drop like 90%, 99%, or it was in the range of 70, 80%?
Wow, thank you so much for those insights, Mohammed. It was a pleasure having you here. And thank you for watching. Remember to share this with your friends because everybody deserves to know more about Web3, AI, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. I'm Cristina Nájera. See you next time.